obstetrician and gynecologist at SCI International Hospital, and I have with me Dr. Ashwini. He's a pediatrician, and today we are here to talk about World Breastfeeding Week, which starts from 1st August till 7th August. And ये initiative WHO ने शुरू किया था to educate women and encourage them for about breastfeeding and to improve the health of babies world over. So इस बार की theme है to support breastfeeding for a healthier planet. So देखा गया है breast milk एक natural renewable source है of food, and it is a very critical part of a sustainable food chain. And in fact ये जो breast milk substitutes है, they are very harmful to the environment. In fact हमारे water ecosystems and land ecosystems को degrade करता है, and climate change भी बहुत तेजी से हो रहा है इस वजह से. So our aim is to promote breastfeeding and to avoid these breast milk substitutes. And we want to discuss a few things. What are the benefits of breast milk for the baby as well as the mother? So Dr. Ashwini, would you like to tell me, बच्चे के लिए what are the benefits of breast milk? Why do we advise कि हमें first WHO recommendation है कि at least first 6 months तक mother को exclusive breastfeeding करनी चाहिए. You should not give any water or any food to the baby. Try to breastfeed exclusively for first 6 months.
Okay. Hello everyone. As we all know, हमें सबको पता है कि breast milk हमेशा से एक complete food माना गया है बच्चे के लिए. It's a complete food for the baby and it provides all the nutrition. Apart from the nutritional benefits, breast milk has various other benefits too.
Yes.
जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि जो बच्चे 6 महीने तक कंटिन्यूस ब्रेस्ट मिल्क पे रहते हैं, उन बच्चों में लॉन्ग टर्म में देखा गया है कि उनको जो डायरिया के इश्यूज, रिकरेंट रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन के इश्यूज, ये बहुत ही कम होते हैं.
Okay.
ऐसे बच्चों में.
Right. हाँ.
इसकी रीजन क्या है कि ब्रेस्ट मिल्क में ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो बच्चों को इन चीजों से प्रोटेक्ट करता है.
Right.
ऐसे एंटीबॉडीज गुड अमाउंट में होते हैं
Right.
एंड अवेलेबिलिटी भी बहुत अच्छी होती है उसकी बच्चों
Yes.
के लिए.
हाँ. In fact, I think first 6 months तक तो बच्चे के पास अपनी खुद की इम्यूनिटी भी नहीं होती है.
जो होती है वो मदर के से जो मिला होता है वही होता है. सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शन
Right.
बच्चों की कुछ नहीं होती.
Right.
तो जो ब्रेस्ट मिल्क बच्चों को मिलती है दैट कोलोस्ट्रम,
Yes.
इसको हम लोग इनफैक्ट कहते हैं कि इज द फर्स्ट वैक्सीन शॉट.
Right.
तो फर्स्ट
Okay.
कोलोस्ट्रम जो मदर से बच्चों को जाता है.
Right.
तो ब्रेस्ट मिल्क में और क्या बेनिफिट्स होते हैं, जैसे एंटीबॉडी हमने बताया जो उसके डायरिया या रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शंस या अदर वायरल इन्फेक्शन से बच्चे को बचाता है.
Right.
इसके अलावा इसमें गुड अमाउंट ऑफ एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो बच्चों को डाइजेस्टिबिलिटी में मदद करते
Help
हैं.
करते हैं.
और बच्चे को गैस की प्रॉब्लम, उल्टी, रिकरेंट स्टूल, जो लूज स्टूल्स होते हैं, ये सब काफी कम हो जाता है इसमें.
Okay.
इसके अलावा इसमें हार्मोन्स होते हैं, जो हार्मोन्स बच्चे को स्लीप पैटर्न, जैसे कि बच्चा दिन में सोए या अच्छे से, बच्चे को 18 से 20 घंटे सोनी चाहिए. तो
Okay.
ब्रेस्ट फीड के बाद बच्चा अच्छे से सोता है इसमें. तो
Right.
स्लीप पैटर्न और भूख, जो एपेटाइट है, दैट आल्सो इंक्रीजेस, हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग.
Okay.
इसके अलावा बॉन्डिंग, मदर और बेबी की
Yes.
बॉन्डिंग और ज्यादा बढ़ती है जितना बच्चा एक दूसरे मदर का फीड लेगा.
Okay.
Okay.
In fact, even I've seen कि breast milk में unnecessary जो sugar content is very low, and जो breast milk substitutes हैं, because the increase इसमें इतना usage में increase हो गया है, so छोटे बच्चों में बहुत जल्दी caries develop होने लगी हैं, dental problems शुरू हो गई हैं. So I feel that breast milk helps the babies to from protecting from these caries as well.
या देखिए, फर्स्ट 6 मंथ तो टीथिंग जो स्टार्ट होती है वो 6 मंथ पे जनरली होती है. बट अगर बच्चों के देखा गया है जो बच्चे मदर्स के फीड पे हैं, तो मदर फीड में कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर्स ज्यादा होते हैं.
Right.
ओलिगोसैकेराइड्स जो होते हैं,
Yes.
दैट्स देयर आर मोर देन 200 ओलिगोसैकेराइड्स इन द ब्रेस्ट मिल्क.
Right.
तो वो क्या करते हैं, जो गट के एनवायरनमेंट को बहुत अच्छा रखते हैं, जिससे बच्चे को लॉन्ग टर्म में और इनफैक्ट थ्रू आउट द 6 मंथ्स पीरियड बच्चे को किसी तरह का गैस का प्रॉब्लम और ये सब नहीं होता है.
Okay.
इनफैक्ट शुगर कंटेंट जो कॉम्प्लेक्स होने की वजह से रैपिडली बच्चों में राइज नहीं करता.
Acha, okay. So, and I would like to talk about the benefits of breast milk for the mother as well. So, mother को क्या benefits मिलते हैं? See, first of all, it helps to reduce the weight of the mother. Then, secondly, ये mother को कई diseases से बचाता है. Like देखा गया है mothers में ovarian cancer, breast cancer, इनके incidences कम हो जाते हैं if they have breastfed the baby. And also, it protects them from osteoporosis.
Yeah.
पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन भी कम करता है मदर्स में. So I would like to, and in fact it saves your time and saves your money also. आपका time बचाता है. It is completely sterile, right temperature होता है बच्चे के लिए. We don't need to keep it in the fridge or sterile the bottles. ये सब नहीं करना पड़ता. So it's quite beneficial. And yes, like you said, bonding बढ़ाता है mother and child में. So I think it's very beneficial. So we would recommend that you should try to at least breastfeed the baby for first 6 months, and you can continue up to 2 years. Yeah. So Dr. Ashwini, kindly tell me कि अब ये जो pandemic चल रहा है COVID-19, so what are the recommendations for breastfeeding? Do you, if a mother is positive, COVID-19 positive है या suspect है, so should she continue breastfeeding? And what अगर करना है तो what precautions she should take?
Okay. तो अभी रिसेंटली WHO या CDC जो 2 गाइडलाइंस जो आई हैं, इन दोनों के तहत ऐसा है कि जो बच्चे आइडियली ब्रेस्ट मिल्क को, चाहे वो मदर कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो या सस्पेक्टेड हो, चाहे वो नहीं हो, नॉर्मल मदर हो, ब्रेस्ट मिल्क इज द अल्टीमेट न्यूट्रिशन एंड इट इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी फॉर द बेबी. उसमें तो कोई दो राय नहीं है. ओनली थिंग इज कि हाउ टू डिलीवर दैट ब्रेस्ट मिल्क टू द बेबी. तो इस कोरोना टाइम्स में हमें क्या करना है कि जैसे जिस मदर को हम सस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं या मदर कोरोना पॉजिटिव है, तो हमें क्या करना है कि अभी तक कोई ऐसा एविडेंस देखा नहीं गया है किसी भी स्टडीज में कि ब्रेस्ट मिल्क से बच्चों को कोरोना हो रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है. लेवल ऑफ एविडेंस बहुत कम है. तो ऐसे में क्या करना है हमें कि जो सारी दुनिया कर रही है कि जो हैंड हाइजीन, जो बच्चे को टच करने से पहले कॉफ हाइजीन, थोड़ा जब भी आप बच्चे को दूध पिलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं या फिर बच्चे को दूध पिलाने जा रहे हैं, तो पहले से आप अपने आप को मास्क लगा के रहना है और बच्चे को टच करना. आइडियली हैंड शुड बी क्लीन. लेकिन अगर हैंड क्लीन अगर साफ लग रहा है बट रिकरेंट कुछ सरफेस टच किया है मदर ने, तो इट्स बेटर कि आप हैंड सैनिटाइज कर लें, क्योंकि अल्कोहल बेस्ड सैनिटाइजर होता है.
Okay, we can use an alcohol based sanitizer.
Definitely we can use it, hand based sanitizer, and that will reduce the chance of transmission to very low.
Right. Okay. And अगर mother ill है, she is not able to breastfeed, तो क्या करना चाहिए मदर को?
See, the ultimate idea remains same कि breast milk को देना है. So if the mother is ill and not able to feed the baby, then best idea is कि क्या करना है, बच्चे मदर को अपना मास्क लगा के हैंड हाइजीन सब प्रॉपर करके तो अपने ब्रेस्ट मिल्क को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट मिल्क कैन बी गिवन टू द बेबी थ्रू द फैमिली मेंबर्स. तो फैमिली मेंबर्स को दे दे, वो उसको फीड करा दे जब तक कि मदर ठीक नहीं हो जाए. तो मदर क्वारंटाइन.
ओके, आई सी. एंड अगर कोई खांसी या छींक आए या जुकाम आए, so you should cover your
you should cover your mouth and use tissue papers and recurrent hygiene doing. Hand hygiene आपको maintain करना है.
And even I think अपने आसपास के environment को we should keep it, the mother should keep it sterile, है ना. जितनी भी चीजें आप हाथ लगा रही हैं उसको क्लीन करिए, साफ करके यूज कीजिए, बार-बार सैनिटाइज कीजिए. So these are few precautions that you have to take if you are COVID positive or you are a suspect and you want to breastfeed your baby. So because breast milk में जो antibodies होती हैं, in fact they are protective towards the baby and ये prevent करती हैं एक बच्चे को COVID-19 catch करने से. So it is highly recommended that during this pandemic, please do not stop breastfeeding. You have to stay with your baby. We recommend that mother or child साथ में रहे and to continue your breastfeeding. So thank you so much, Dr. Ashwini. Yeah, and we have a lactation consultant also with us today. जो हमारी कुछ queries, she can answer कि कब mother को, she should approach a lactation consultant. What are the signs? So hello, Dr. Soren. She's a lactation consultant, and can you please, I welcome you.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Can you please tell me, what a mother should look out for? उसको कब she should approach a lactation consultant, जो उनको क्या difficulties आती हैं, and right time में अगर she approaches a lactation consultant, तो she will not get demotivated. कई mothers बहुत जल्दी ऐसे ही demotivate हो जाती हैं for breastfeeding, छोटी सी problems होती हैं, थोड़ा pain है या decreased flow है, so they start using these breast milk substitutes.
Exactly. So डॉक्टर धनी आपने बहुत अच्छे से रखा, पेन है, लेस मिल्क सप्लाई है ये सब एक मिथ्स है एक्चुअली. सो दुनिया की कोई ऐसी मॉम नहीं है जो अपने बच्चे के लिए एडिक्वेट मिल्क नहीं बना सकती. देयर आर फ्यू मदर्स दोज हु नीड कंसल्टेशन और जिनको काउंसलिंग की जरूरत पड़ती है. देयर वी कम इन प्ले. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ मदर शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कभी पेनफुल नहीं होता.
Okay.
So, अगर उनको किसी ने बोला गया कि हाँ पेन होगा, पेन
Right.
होता है,
Yeah.
so अगर पेन हो रहा है तो यहाँ पर latching of the baby is not correct.
Okay.
So there is the point the mother should go and consult a lactation consultant.
Okay.
And साथ में आता है कि लो मिल्क सकता है, उनको लगता है कि मेरा मिल्क जो है वो पूरा नहीं आ रहा है और ब्रेस्ट को प्रेस कर करके निकालने की कोशिश करती रहती हैं कि देख लें कितना मिल्क है.
Right.
So first few जो days होते हैं, first to 3 days जैसे
Yes.
आपको पता ही है और गूगल भी करती हैं बहुत सारी मॉम्स,
Right.
कोलोस्ट्रम होता है.
Yes.
सो कोलोस्ट्रम की जो क्वांटिटी होती है वो इतनी ज्यादा नहीं होती
Hmm.
कि आप उसमें से सोचे कि यू कैन फिल इन अ बॉटल और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऐसा नहीं होता है. सो इट इज इन लेसर क्वांटिटी और
Yeah.
जैसे आपने पहले भी बोला हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया
Yeah.
वगैरह
So
प्रिवेंट
you should not get demotivated.
Exactly.
कि milk नहीं आ रहा है, so I should start with the breast milk substitutes.
Yeah, so उसमें क्या करना है आपको? You have to put the baby onto the breast. Let baby do the work.
Okay.
Right? The baby will suckle and take out the milk from the breast.
Okay.
Not your hand, nothing
Yes.
will work.
Yes.
Right? So and
Also, I feel अगर baby अगर there are baby is not gaining weight या आपके बच्चा बार बार vomiting कर रहा है या उसको there is बार बार regurgitate कर रहा है milk है ना. So these are also some signs when you should approach a lactation consultant.
positioning नहीं हो रही है.
Yes, you're getting tired while breastfeeding because if a mother is tired, she will again give up breastfeeding very soon. So I think the
Exactly.
positioning I feel is very important.
Positioning is very important. How to keep the baby onto the breast, how you should position the baby on your body so that both are in comfort, mother
Yeah,
and the baby.
yes.
Because breastfeeding is not 10 or 15 minutes job for a mother.
Right.
It is like you have to sit for hours also.
Right,
So suppose
yes.
you're sitting for 1.5 hours or an hour
Yeah.
with the baby. So
Yes.
you have to always have a back support. Your back should be supported.
Right.
Either you sit on a chair or if you are sitting on a bed, so pillows should be there for the back support.
Okay.
Right? And then when you put the baby onto the breast, the baby should be there and the baby should be turned towards the mother. The baby's tummy should be in contact with the skin. So skin to skin contact यहाँ पर एक अच्छा role play करता है.
Okay.
And mother can hold the baby's head in the elbow and the baby is turned towards mother. ब्रेस्ट का लेवल और बेबी के माउथ का लेवल जो है वो सेम होना चाहिए. It should be same. It should not be like मदर को अपनी ब्रेस्ट को उठाना पड़ा. If she is lifting the breast, then it is not a correct position.
Okay.
So she has to adjust the baby's position with this hand in such a way that her breast level and the baby level is at the same height.
Okay. Okay. She should not bend her shoulders and
No, not at all. So
back should be straight.
straight and
Right.
supported.
Okay.
Yes, this should be
Okay.
there. And if you want to have a good lactation, a mother should maintain good fluid supply in her body.
Okay.
So
Okay.
she can have water, coconut water, lassi, chach, milk,
Yes,
whatever,
yes,
whichever
yeah.
fluid she wants to have, she can have. There
Okay.
is no restriction.
Okay.
So approximately 3 to 4 liters of fluid she should have, so
Okay.
that her body is hydrated
Hydrated.
and
Right.
is helping her
Yes.
to produce milk for the
Yeah.
baby.
And I think even the good nutritious diet is very important.
Exactly, exactly.
She should have all her proteins, carbohydrates, and energy providing foods. So
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly. So सबसे पहले Indian society को ये समझना है that a mother, a female body is designed to deliver
Right.
and to breastfeed,
Yeah.
right? So she is not a patient.
Okay.
First of all,
Right.
understand. So there is no kind of special diet she should have. So there is no kind of any condition in her body that she should have any special diet or anything. So normal, well balanced diet should be there.
Well-balanced
So
diet.
whatever the
Yeah.
people in the family, other people like they
Okay.
are eating, she is allowed to eat.
Okay.
So,
So what about these galactose? They say that the foods होते हैं which promote breast milk. What do you have to say about
Exactly. So those foods are called as galactogogues.
that? Yeah.
So those includes like methi dana,
Yes.
ajwain,
Yeah.
saunf,
Right.
jeera. Jeera is one of the best one
Okay,
known
yeah.
across
Hmm.
the world for
Yes.
this. And dalia,
Right. Yeah.
staple जो है
Yeah.
dalia, sabut dana,
Yeah.
masoor dal. So all these things, lauki,
Yeah.
ghee,
So you
all
recommend
these-
that the elders of the family they ask you to have those ghee loaded laddus and also they should it's recommended.
So it is like if your BMI always depends on your BMI. If your BMI was in range when you were not pregnant,
Yes.
then you can have this laddu panjiri ghee, but it should be in moderation. It's not like every 2 hours you're popping up a laddu in your
Obviously,
mouth,
if you
right?
are a diabetic, so there are, you have to see your
Conditions.
medical conditions also
Exactly.
before taking all these foods.
Yeah. So recommendations is according to your gynae by looking into your BMI status. They can tell you yes, you can go ahead.
Yeah.
So what this laddu and panjeer, they give you energy actually.
Right. Yes.
These
Yeah.
provide you energy, and
Yes.
mother, when they are breastfeeding, lactation is going on, the breast is consuming a lot of energy to make milk.
Okay,
So
okay.
yes, you can have laddu panjiri with the
Okay.
recommendation of your gynae depending upon your BMI.
Okay,
Go
I
ahead
see.
with that.
So, and what are, what tips can you give the mothers to increase the breast milk? Some tips that will help them breast milk supply increase.
Right.
What can they do?
The first important thing is you need to feed your baby. That is first most important thing.
Yeah.
The baby comes onto the breast.
Yeah.
They start suckling on the breast. There is nerve stimulation, gives send signal to the brain, and brain releases the
So
hormone.
it has to be like a demand feeding, right?
Exactly.
Whenever the baby is crying and hungry, you have to latch the baby to the breast.
Yeah, and one thing, important thing is, as you said, the word crying. Right?
Yes.
So crying, don't associate every cry with hunger.
Okay.
That's what we do
Right.
usually. So we associate if the baby is crying is because of hunger.
Right.
Elders in the family would say, go feed the baby, baby is crying. There are n number of reasons for which the babies are crying. So first of all, if they have passed poop, they're going to pass, or they are passing.
Yeah.
Same is with the urine.
Yeah.
If they are passing, passed, or passed,
Right.
passing, right? So this is their normal phenomena, because they
Yes.
feel very funny, and this is how they express by
Okay.
crying.
Okay.
Then if they're too hot,
Okay.
they cry.
Okay.
Colic is there,
Yeah.
another reason,
Okay.
and hunger.
Okay.
So there are reasons, and there are more reasons, like if the cloth is not giving them comfort, is there any kind of constrictions in anything, they'll cry. So you have
Okay.
to see what are the things that are there in the body
Okay.
that is leading to the cry
Okay.
of the baby, instead
Right.
of just
Yeah.
putting the breast in the mud and putting the baby onto the breast.
Right.
So what happens if the baby is not hungry and
Yeah.
you put the baby onto the breast, the baby will push you.
Right.
So baby also tries to tell you, see, I'm not hungry. There is
Mhm.
something else you have to look in
Right.
for.
Right.
Right? So
Okay.
that is what a mother
Yeah.
should
And
understand.
what else? I feel that if there is skin to skin contact, if the mother and child are together, that is what we advise all mothers, that grooming in is very important.
Yeah.
Always keep your babies together in your bed with you. Skin to skin contact improves your breast milk production. And also nutrition and hydration, like you said, we have to maintain the nutrition and hydration of the mother
Yes.
for adequate supply, and your positioning should be comfortable. Your emotional, I think, state is very important. The
Yeah.
mother should be happy, and that really affects the
that is-
breast milk supply.
So breast milk hormones are happy hormones.
Yes,
So if you are happy, you are not stressed, you don't panic.
Yeah.
So don't panic when the baby is crying, right? So babies, they cry. So don't
Okay.
panic. Please feed your baby and stay calm and feed.
Okay. So so these are the few things that we wanted to discuss on this breast feeding week, and we what we as educated individuals, what we can do is that increase awareness regarding breastfeeding, to remove stigma about breastfeeding, help mothers, and create a friendly environment outside their homes which promotes breastfeeding, and basically help them. And culturally also in India, we should promote, adequate measures should be taken. They should be provided space for breastfeeding. Like even in malls and all nowadays, they are providing rooms for breastfeeding. So working ladies should also be helped out. So these are few things which we need to take care of, and which will help the mothers to breastfeed their baby. So okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Ashwini. Thank you, Sir Ms. Suren.